And of course, ngayon pong umaga, kasama po natin ang isang artist. Of course, si Miss Mary Eugenie A. Galion, visual artist and painter and flying artist. Of course, to promote yung kanilang upcoming event na Art and Fashion, Art and Charity at Yacht Club. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome
good morning,
here.
Angela. Good morning, everyone.
Okay, so go ahead. Why don't you talk about the art exhibit?
Yeah, please come and join me. I'll have an art exhibit at the Manila Yacht Club. Okay, this will be on December 6. So it's an open invitation. You guys come. It's for the benefit of the orphanage, the Hospicio de San Jose. And of course, I have some paintings here on the studio.
Yeah, ganda.
Yeah. When you're labeled as a visual artist, what does it mean?
Okay, specifically flying artist. Because there's plenty of visual artists
What
there.
do you mean by flying
Flying,
artist?
oo.
Because I'm a flight attendant also. And my inspiration is art travel. I do a lot of art travel, and it has always been my theme. Every time I do my travels, I capture some scenic spots and something interesting, and I capture it on paintings.
What can we expect to see dun sa art exhibit niyo po, ma'am? Will there be, aside from paintings, no? What other things?
Okay, since it's about art and fashion, I will be exhibiting some kind of accessories.
Tulad ng suot ninyo na napakaganda.
Yes.
Mamatch
Ito
sa
yung
ano
scarf
nyo.
na parang
Oo.
necklace.
Oo, tapos I also use embellishments on my paintings. Like, some of my paintings here has genuine stones, like jade, corals, amethyst, which I embellished on my artworks. So basically, that makes it different, you know. And
Ilang years na po kayo nag-paint?
I've been exhibiting since 2010. But then, painting-wise, ever since I was, you know, in grade school and high school. But then, the exhibit started 2010 onwards.
Ma'am Eugenie, ano po usually ang theme ng mga paintings niyo?
I love to paint flowers in still life. I do also mother and child. I have nature, mostly nature.
You do have any travel-inspired paintings po kasi you're a flight attendant.
Yes, yes, yes. Of course, like the ones here, as we noticed, I have paintings on the right side.
So of all the travels that you have, which country inspired you most on most of your paintings?
Okay, like for this year, kasi ginagawa ko siya ng tema, ng theme. So ito, as you notice, this is like parang feng shui
Parang may
inspired.
dinidikit yung stones niya.
Kung parang yin and yin, gano'n?
Yes. Like that one, if you notice when you go to Hong Kong, yung ferry boats nila, ito, parang ang concept ko dyan, it's a lotus flower designed on a drapery with gemstones. So, that's it. It captured the ferry boats in Hong Kong na ganyan yung sail. Yung sailing boat nila, if you notice, parang captured on a flower, like a lotus. Yun yung pagka-theme niya. And I did it in acrylic mixed media.
Ma'am, we would like to know also kung are we expecting several artists as well in this exhibit or kayo lang po?
I have guest artists like AAP President, Sir Fidel Sarmiento. He's watching. And of course, actually, some of my paintings are already collected. Like this
Wow,
one.
hindi pa tapos ang hindi pa nagsastart ang exhibit collected already.
Angela and everyone, can I mention them?
Sure.
Of course, I have a lot of other paintings there. No, these are just highlights. Okay, these two paintings on the both left and right side are collections of David Salon, Miss Marivic. Hi, Miss Mother, Miss Marivic. And of course, Mr. David Charlton. I'd like to greet Miss Beth of Bravo Filipino Magazine, and of course Miss Joy. And basically, the paintings belongs to them.
Okay.
Ano pong medium yung mga ginagamit niyo usually?
It's acrylic mostly when I do mixed media with stones. But of course, I also use oil and watercolor. So, but at this particular time, with stones, I use acrylic.
How long does it take you to complete one painting?
Okay. It all depends, no? But usually on the average time, like more than a month should be. Like 2 to 3 months, ganyan. Because I cannot put pressure on doing that. So it will come out nice. Parang it's like a slow cooking type. You know, parang you start it and then you come back to it until you finally complete it. And your eyes is satisfied, set that, oh, this is okay na.
Tsaka depende rin sa mood
Sa
ninyo,
mood.
no?
Oo, that's right. Kasi
Ito, art and charity niyo po, ginagawa niyo po ba ito annually, every year? And
Every
how long
year.
have you been doing this?
since December of 2010, so my inspiration is I support the orphanage. So
yeah.
it has always been my advocacy to do that.
Palagi po bang hospicio de
San
San Jose?
Yes.
Parating nun.
But of course, siguro I would also support other institutions as well in the future.
Alright, so why don't you invite na po our televiewers para po sa exhibit natin on December 6.
Yes, December 6, Angela.
Sabado.
Okay.
Kita natin kung...
Yeah.
ikaw na.
Oh.
Oh, yan.
Ganda.
Sige
Yeah,
po.
Kong.
Split screen.
Okay. Hello everyone. Please come and join me on my exhibit at the Manila Yacht Club, December 6. Thank you.
Ay, where can they get tickets? Diba?
Okay. It's an open invitation.
Open invitation?
Yes,
Wow, that's great. Okay, so we'll see you guys there sa December 6, Manila Yacht Club. At what time again?
It will start at 11 a.m.
11 a.m.
Onwards, yes.
Do you plan ba to make exhibit or galleries outside of the Philippines? Abroad?
Yes, definitely. Probably next year, I will be having an exhibit in the US.
Wow.
2015.
Ayan. So, kita-kita tayo dyan, mga kasangbahay, para makita natin yung iba pang mga paintings ni Ma'am Mary Eugenie A. Galion. Isa po siyang visual artist, painters, at flying artist.
Thank you,
diba?
Angela.
Maraming salamat
Thank you,
po.
Miss Angela. And by the way, this one is also...
Your shirt, yeah, I know.
Yeah, my shirt is also one of my paintings, but I didn't bring it because I had a lot already. But, this is one of my paintings to be exhibited.
Is this available also?
Yes,
There?
I will.
How much?
Siguro less than 500, about 400.
Ganda, ganda.
And of course, at the back, I printed, I love God, I love art.
Wow.
Let's show it to them.
There.
I love God. I love art.
I love God.
Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Nice inviting me here. It was a pleasure for me having you
Of course.